Hey guys, John, Rapid Metal Fab here today. I wanted to show off some welding capabilities that we have here, Rapid Metal Fab. This is stainless steel, 304. And let's face it, a lot of fab shops struggle with welding 304 stainless steel. Not exactly sure why. I guess it takes a lot of practice, a lot of setup work, but we can weld carbon steel, stainless steel, does not matter. We can help with that application and that need. We can also help with design work if you need that. We can cut flat parts for you. Here's some flat parts. We are a one-stop shop for your contract manufacturing needs. We're always available. Email us is the easiest, quickest way. Give us a call. Give us your parts, we can get you a quick quote, and we can get those things made for you. If you guys have questions, as always, we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.